It's 11:47 p.m. Sarah is standing in front of her wardrobe like it just insulted her mother. 6 outfits on the floor, 2 on the bed, 1 still hanging half-zipped because she couldn't even finish trying it on. Tomorrow is her sister's traditional wedding introduction, the biggest Owambe of the year, and Sarah, the maid of honor, has officially nothing to wear. Not nothing. She has clothes. She has a whole closet, but none of it says what she needs it to say. Because everyone, and I mean everyone, is coming in senator wear this year. Her aunties, her cousins from London, even her sister's future mother-in-law, who Sarah has heard is not a woman you underdress in front of. And Sarah's problem isn't that she doesn't like senator wear. Her problem is she thinks it's not for her. She thinks it's stiff, masculine, boardroom energy, not Owambe energy. She's about to WhatsApp her cousin to borrow a plain lace instead and just disappear into the crowd tomorrow. She's about to give up on looking powerful because nobody ever showed her what senator wear could actually look like on a woman. That mistake is about to cost her the whole event. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly which senator designs are dominating 2026 for women, and one of them might just change how you see this fabric forever. Welcome back to Fashion Style Home, the home of everything senator wear. If you're new here, we break down real African fashion, the designs, the meaning, the mistakes people make through stories just like Sarah's, because half of you are living this exact panic right now. If that's you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications because we drop new episodes every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss the one where we cover red senator looks for Christmas. Now, back to Sarah. Sarah is 2 seconds from calling her cousin when her phone rings. It's Grace, her mother's friend, the woman who's been sewing for the family since Sarah was in primary school. Grace has a shop tucked behind the market, no signboard, no Instagram, just 40 years of experience and a waiting list 3 months long. Your mother said you're panicking. Grace says, not even bothering with hello. I'm not panicking. I'm assisting. You're panicking. Come to the shop. Now. I close at midnight for you people who can't plan. 20 minutes later, Sarah is standing in Grace's shop, surrounded by fabric bolts stacked to the ceiling, and Grace is already shaking her head at her. You think senator is for men, Grace says. It's not a question. I mean, kind of. Grace laughs, the kind of laugh that makes you feel small and forgiven at the same time. Sit down. Let me show you what 2026 is doing. Grace pulls out the first design. It's a fitted senator dress, structured shoulders, a nipped waist, and a modest slit at the ankle. The kind of piece that looks like it belongs in a boardroom until you notice the hand-stitched embroidery running up the sleeve like a signature. This is your power woman cut, Grace says. You wear this, nobody asks who your husband is. They ask who you are. Sarah touches the fabric. It's heavier than she expected, structured but not stiff. She's already imagining herself walking into the hall in it. The second design comes out, a 2-piece, a flowing wrapper paired with a cropped, embellished top, gold thread catching the shop light. Grace calls it the Owambe Queen. It's soft where the first design was sharp, made for a woman who wants to dance without her outfit fighting her. This one, Grace says, is for the woman who wants to be seen from across the room. Third comes a gown, full length, floor sweeping, with a corset-style bodice built into the senator fabric itself. Sarah actually gasps a little. It looks like something you'd wear to receive an award, not attend a wedding. Careful, Grace warns, half smiling. This one has ruined 3 engagement parties. Everyone forgets whose event it is. The fourth is more relaxed. A jumpsuit cut from senator material, wide-legged, with a fitted bustier top. Grace explains this one's exploding among younger women in 2026 because it breaks the rule that senator wear has to be proper. Rules are for people who are scared, Grace says, and Sarah writes that down in her notes app like it's scripture. Fifth, an off-shoulder blouse and skirt combo, senator fabric on the skirt, soft chiffon on the sleeves. Grace calls this the diaspora-favorite. She says her clients visiting from the UK and the US ask for this cut more than any other because it photographs beautifully and travels well in a suitcase. And the sixth, Grace saves this one for last. Almost dramatically, pulling a dust cloth off a mannequin in the corner. A caped senator gown, structured underneath, dramatic flowing cape over the shoulders. Sarah literally takes a step back. This one is not for beginners, Grace says. This one is for a woman who has already decided she's the moment. While Grace is pinning fabric on Sarah for a rush fitting, her apprentice, a nervous young man named Daniel, pokes his head in. "Auntie Grace, the red one for Mrs. Okafor, is it ready? Is the sky ready to fall on you? Go and finish it." Daniel disappears. Sarah laughs for the first time all night. "He's scared of you. Everybody who wants to learn something properly should be a little scared," Grace says, not even looking up from the pins. Fear keeps the stitches straight. By 1 a.m., the outfit is pinned, marked, and set aside for finishing. Sarah has picked the first design, the fitted power woman cut, but Grace insists she come back for the cape gown too, for another day when you're ready to be that loud. The next evening, Sarah walks into the hall in her fitted senator dress, embroidery catching the light exactly the way Grace promised. Her sister's future mother-in-law, the one everyone warned her about, actually stops mid-conversation to ask who made it. Sarah just smiles, a woman who doesn't believe in easy answers. Somewhere across the room, Daniel is standing near the entrance in a matching senator abaya, looking significantly less terrified than he did last night. Grace catches Sarah's eye from across the hall and gives her the smallest nod, the kind that says "I told you so" without a single word. Because that's the thing about senator wear in 2026. It was never really about the fabric. It's about the woman who finally decides she's allowed to take up that much room. If you love Sarah's transformation, tell me in the comments which of the 6 designs you'd wear first: the power dress, the Owambe Queen, the gown, the jumpsuit, the off-shoulder set, or the caped look for the brave ones. Like this video if you want more senator wear breakdowns, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.